Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you shopping at my local home goods store. Let's get into it. There's so much going on here. I walked in and it's full-blown fall and Halloween decor everywhere. So this is where they have the bigger pieces where you can maybe put it on your patio, inside your home by the fireplace or something like that. But there's so many different variations of styles going on. I particularly love these pumpkins over here and the ghost holding the pumpkin, super cute. And then around here we have some signs, very nicely done. This one is by far one of my favorite signs I've seen anywhere. Look at the gnome holding the bat pumpkin held up by the ghost. Very nicely done again. And then we have a candy corn tree for Halloween and a black tree for Halloween, and those do light up. Have you all been seeing the blues coming in for fall with the greens? It's kind of like this dark minty green color, just like this gnome. What are your thoughts? Do you like it or do you prefer the traditional colors? I personally love the traditional colors. They remind me of fall more so. There's the witch's boots again. And I particularly really loved the witches coming together by the cauldron. This piece lights up and it's quite heavy. We have some nice kitchen pieces you can add or put it on the mantle again. Do you all decorate your kitchen for Halloween? Comment down and let me know. I really want to know. These pieces could be easily DIY'd. I feel like you can do some pearls and things of that sort on the skeleton or a pumpkin. But it's really up to you if you like it. Get it. Look at this witch's boot haunted house. Larger pieces on the top. Coming to the bottom, here we have a broom with a battery pack. I guess it may be lighting up. Elvis. Yes, the king is still king. Over here we have more creative pieces. I'm seeing lots of pinks coming in for this year, which again can translate into Valentine's Day with some of these pieces. This could be easily DIY'd. I wonder how much this one is. It's $9.99. Some pieces you can DIY and some pieces it's going to cost you just as much to DIY, so you can get away with it by just buying it. But yeah. What are your thoughts about the pink coming in for Halloween? Let me know down below. This particular piece caught my eye. Love that. And then we have the romantic skeletons again. More old Hollywood. Also is coming back for Halloween, looks like. What are some of the themes that you're going with for Halloween this year? What are you looking for as far as decor goes? Do you like to do every single room or do you focus on one area of your house for decorations? Let me know down below. These elf wizards are coming back. Looks like they're doing it for Halloween. I've seen it in Hobby Lobby before for Christmas, but this year it's like they're doing it for Halloween. Many wreaths to choose from. Do you guys like to DIY your own wreath or do you like to buy them? That's another question I want to know. I love the pumpkins. I think that would be a wonderful addition to a porch area. And then we have more skeletons here and the black theme items. This cauldron's nice, and so is this one. These are the type of pieces that I personally like. Let's give this one a go and see what lights up. Nice. I love the green. This store was very, very busy while I was filming. I know you don't see it on camera. I've been trying to dodge people so I can actually get some footage taken. But yeah, it was very, very busy. It was about 11 o'clock and there were so many people already shopping for Halloween and fall. I love this piece, but I think I can totally DIY it. Um, and then over here we have the foxes. I have a special place in my heart for foxes as well. Around the corner we have some fall wreaths and fall decor to choose from. I love the harvest basket over here with the apples. And here we have some pumpkins that are newer with the color for this year. The grays, the greens, and the blues. More wreaths over here. I love the way that they color coded the shelvings so that if you have a specific look that you're going for, it was quite easy to find. These I also loved, the cream colored tones. You can easily use this for Christmas as well, I feel like. And the blushes. The plum colored pumpkin is gorgeous. And you have some tabletop pieces here that you can do or you can purchase. These burgundy colored flowers are gorgeous. That's one of my favorite colors. Let's see if these will be worth DIYing or purchasing. They're at $30. And then the smaller one is at $25. So depending on the products that you purchase, you might get away with DIYing those. Now when we come to the neutral colors, the whites, the greens, and the neutrals. If you have a farmhouse look, these would look gorgeous in your home. On this side, it is purely wreaths galore. Look at all the selection. I'm going to try to slow down. There's a person behind me. I'm trying to film and let her pass so that I can actually take a look at every individual thing on these shelves because they're so nicely done. I love these copper tones for the wreaths that they're using. The pumpkins are plush pumpkins put together in a wreath and it is gorgeous. I am in love with these burgundies right over here. I live in a deciduous forest, which means we get 4 seasons, and during fall, at the end, the leaves fall off the trees. And before they fall, you get every color you can imagine. You get the dark burgundies coupled with the oranges, the bright yellows, and the dark greens. It is so picturesque. My husband is a fan of the wheat stalks over here up above that you just saw. We love to use that for decor in our home. And then now we have some blues. Here we have some additional Halloween decor, and this is more geared towards the kitchen. I love these mugs. I was drawn to this kitty cat and the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin because years back I made a cake just like that, and I hope to replicate it again this year and do it even better. I baked it about 10 years ago, if not more, but I loved it. The kids loved it. And I really miss baking. I really want to get into baking again. But if I do make anything Halloween related, what would you like to see? Do you want to do gory Halloween cakes, or do you want to do Halloween cutesy cakes? So comment down below and let me know so that I can get going on some ideas and hopefully have videos out for that as well. And here we have the black and purple themed decor. Some of these pieces are very functional, such as this witch's hat piece, where you can put the chips around the bottom and your dip or salsa in the middle. Very creative. We have some more mugs and kitchen pieces over here, and cups to choose from, gnomes. Very cute. Look at this guy, he seems like he's having a blast. And we have some salt and pepper shakers here. They're little mummies. Another witch's hat. This one's the orange. More boost, please. That's so cute. And then down here we have additional mugs. And here we have the candle sections dedicated for Halloween. So we have some ghosts, and then we have pumpkins. Those tiny pumpkins I'm going to get to, they're super cute. And then we have a cauldron with candle inside. Very nicely scented as well. These were adorable. They're so well done. These were one of my favorites. The pink pumpkin particularly caught my eye. Now we have additional fall harvest decor pieces you can use. And down here we have some tabletop decor again. This one we can easily DIY using Dollar Tree products. Dollar Tree actually brings in LED lights too now, so this could be easily done. I'm looking for the price tag, and it's on the side over here, looks like. Yeah, $30. We can definitely DIY this for lower. I love to stop by in this area because it gives me so many creative ideas for DIYs. This one is beautifully done, and it's another version of the one we saw with the orange pumpkins. Now we come to the huge lanterns with the candles. There's so many options to choose from this year. I love the lanterns. Alright friends, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for shopping along with me at HomeGoods. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Hit the notification bell and share this video with a friend or family. All these actions help to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you back again soon.